welcome back to my channel. This is me Farzana from Beauty Stubborn by Farzana. Today I am going to show you how to remove dryness from face in winter season. Dry skin is a common problem in these days, so this pack will heal your skin within 2 days. For this pack we will need honey, chandan or sandalwood powder, multani matti or fuller earth, rose water and a small piece of lemon. Moving on to the mixing ratio, you will need 1 full teaspoon of sandalwood or chandan powder, 1 full teaspoon of multani matti or fuller earth, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. If you have oily skin, then add little honey, and if you have more dry skin, then add more honey. A small teaspoon of lemon juice. If you have oily skin, add more lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of rose water, and you can add less or more to make a thick paste. Mix the paste well, make sure there is no lump. You can use this pack in summers also. Use less honey and more lemon juice for the summers, because in summer time our skin is more oily. If you have extremely dry skin, use it in alternative days, and if you have normal to dry skin, then use it 2 times a week. That's enough. Apply a thick layer evenly onto your face and neck area. Don't forget your neck here whenever you applying anything to your face. Here is a lip treatment, that is BOROLINE, and this is the best thing that I ever use for my lip treatment. You have to apply a small amount of your lips and leave it with your face marks, and you will see the visible change after washing it off. You have to leave this face pack for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with room temperature water. Gently wipe off excess water from your face. Now I am going to use toner in Korean style, that is tap tap tap. Using toner in this technique when you are 100% sure that your face is clean. I am taking 4 to 5 drops and tap it into my face. This is my first step. Now I am taking again 4 to 5 drops and using a tap into my face, and then again I am going to take 4 to 5 drops of this toner and tap into my face. I am using this technique in 3 steps, but you can do it in 7 steps, or you can do it in 1 step, required in your skin type and your skin condition. Moisturizer time. Using NIVEA moisturizer, or you can use your favorite beauty oil or grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is amazing for dry skin. You should try grapeseed oil for your dry skin. Now applying your beauty oil or your moisturizer, whatever you are using, do a facial massage. Here I am showing you the steps that you should follow. apply your favorite lip balm to your beautiful lips. So here is the well moisturized, soft, glowing skin. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And please do try this for your dry skin and let me know in the comment section below how it works for you, and do a patch test first please. Thank you so much for watching, guys.